finance website. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung ginawa kong finance website. We are providing professional consulting. Ayan. Tumutulong kami sa mga tao kung paano i-manage yung pera nila at paano mag-grow yung business nila. Yan, what we do. Business strategy development. Yan, crafting tailored strategies to align with your goals. Financial planning and analysis, guiding you through smart financial decision for sustainability growth, market research and insights, providing deep market understanding to make informed decision about us. Team kami na tumutulong sa mga negosyante, sa mga taong mayaman na hirap i-manage yung pera nila para hindi malos yung pera nila na pinaghirapan nila sa matagal na panahon na trinabaho nila. Yan. Ito yung portfolio namin. Yan. Yan, we are providing business service. Our mission is to deliver exceptional consulting solutions that drive growth, streamline operations, and improve your business to achieve its full potential. With our expert and dedication, we ensure every service is tailored to meet your unique needs. And we are consulting. Yan. Then yan, may mga client din tayo dito na nag-review sa atin. Yan, Syrup Season. And sabi niya na boost daw yung profit niya by 30% within the year. Yan, The Timbas Professional. Yan, si Jerry Azonza, si Aldo Nabella. Yan, pwede nyo ilagay yung pangalan nyo dito. Yan. Kung kailangan nyo team namin. May nakantabi dyan na sasagot sa inyo. Yan. Tapos isend nyo lang.